Hey, lit. Welcome back. So this is going to be part 3 of 3D printing model rocket. So this is V1 right here. Whoop. And this is V2. And this is V3. So these are all printed out of PLA. This one took 15 hours. This took 10 hours. This took 8 hours. This outer diameter is 3 inches. This outer diameter is 2 inches. And I believe this is 1 inch. It's either 1 inch or 1.5. I can't remember right now, but it's in between those. So the key differences besides the size were the hole size. The first one, I had to sand the hole to fit the rocket engine in. The second one, the hole was too big, and so the engine kind of just fell all the way down to the bottom and fall out the top as well. So on V3, I decided to make like a thread to go around it. So this is the rocket engine. So this is a thread. So the engine goes inside the thread like that, and then on the bottom of this threads into the rocket. And so I made this version 3 design like this because in the previous videos the rocket engines were shooting out after like liftoff. So they'd shoot up, they'd land, and then while they're here it would just shoot out the bottom. So now I'm thinking, if the engine doesn't shoot out the back, will the rocket go higher? Will it shoot on the ground? Like, what's going to happen? I'm not sure yet. So those are the main differences between the versions. And this is printed in my favorite plastic, the lava. It turns, it's like black when cold, red when warm, as you can see, and then it turns yellow when really hot. So we might see something when this ignites and may change colors, but we'll see. I'll see you on the field.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the latest printed V3 rocket. It has the color changing filament on it. And it weighed how much, Izzy?
142.
142. And the engine inside is a B. So that's double the A. It's a little windy out, so that might affect something.
Ready?
It's gonna blow up your phone. Oh, wind's low. Go, 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 go. Izzy.
Damn.
It still blew out, didn't it?
No, it's not.
Nah, it's fine. Dude, it dug in that ground. It stayed in though. That extra oomph dug it in the ground.
Look.
Hey, look, it's hot though. Hey, it's hot at the top. Wonder what that heat is. Impact.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Damn it, Izzy.
Keep going.
This thing is gone.
Alright, so to conclude this video, this thing is surprisingly pretty durable. It shot up, stuck right into the dirt. Now, the only negative thing is, earlier I talked about how I threaded the casing for the engine. Well, it pretty much like exploded in there and made a bunch of heat. So now it's like lodged in there. The bolt that was on the end, we tried to twist and it just wasn't budging, and we just ended up tearing it off. So this thing is stuck in there for who knows how long. So I'll probably have to think of something to combat that, but yeah, that's really all we got for this one. Stay tuned for the next video. You stay lit, America.